Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you step by step how to create a Facebook traffic campaign using a Meta Ads Manager for promoting the Upskill Rocket Master AI Digital Marketing course. I will explain the complete campaign setup, audience targeting, ad creation, placements, and tracking using UTM parameters. Let's get started. First, I'm opening the Meta Business Suite. From the left menu, click the Ads Manager. Inside Ads Manager, click on the green Create button. Now, Meta asks us to select the campaign objective since our goal is to send people to the Upskill Rocket website. I am selecting the traffic as the campaign objective. Click on continue. Here I am selecting the manual traffic campaign because it gives us complete control over the campaign settings and audience selections. Now I will give my campaign name. I am naming the campaign as Upskill Rocket Traffic Campaign June 2026. Here there are three levels, like one is campaign level, ad set level, and ad copy level. In the campaign level, I'm just writing the campaign name. Then budget, I have set it to the ad set budget. Because I want to control the budget directly from the ad set level. Now click on next. Now we are inside the ad set sections. I will give the ad set name under a conversion location, selecting website. Uh, First, I will give the ad set name as Upskill Rocket Bangalore. Main is conversions. You have to select. I am selecting its website because I want to send users directly to the website. Under the performance goal, I am selecting the maximum number of landing page views. This setting tells Meta to optimize the campaign for people who are most likely to actually visit the website rather than just click on the ad. Next, for I'm setting the daily budget. For this campaign, I'm keeping budget 1000 rupees per day. I'm also selecting the end date for the campaign. I will run campaign for the 10 days. Now, so audience targeting. Now we are moving to one of the most important section of the Facebook advertising, which is audience targeting. The success of campaign depends heavily on the targeting the right people under the locations. I'm selecting Bangalore, India. Then I'm increasing the radius to 35 miles. This allows me to target people not only within the Bangalore city but also nearby areas. Next, I click on switch to original audience options. I'm not using advantage plus audience here. I'm switched to the original audience. Further limit the reach of your audience. Now I will set the age group. First I will set the age group. Minimum will be 18 and maximum is 35. I'll select all the genders. Now we'll configure the detailed targeting. Under the interest, first under the interest, And under here there are three ways, like demographics, interest, or behaviors. The demographic is age, gender, or profession, locations. Interest is nothing but the people who are interested in this. Behavior is the people's behavior. This will show to the people based on their behavior. Like under the interest, I'm selecting digital marketing, artificial intelligence, online advertising, then entrepreneurships, content marketing, graphic design, blogging, social media marketing, online marketing. Usually, these interests are highly relevant because the course is related to the digital marketing and the artificial intelligence tools I'm using, AI tools. Here, also under the job titles, I'm selecting the social media manager, freelancer, blogger, content creator, SEO specialist, digital marketing executives. And also in the demographics, like in education, I'm selecting the master degree graduates in college. Here you can browse and you can select, and also it is giving you some relevant suggestion. Meta will give you some relevant suggestions for you. You can select under that also. See, it is giving me suggestions in interest, behaviors, job titles. We can choose from there if it is relevant to us. The audience selection is very important because if you target the right audience, you can reach the max people. If you have the good budget, you can further limit the audience also, and also you can use the advantages plus audience. See here in which I'm selecting the professional degree under the education level. It will comes under the demographics. Then also under behavior, I'm selecting here the engage shoppers, Instagram business profiles admins, Facebook page admins. Under the purchase behavior, you'll get the engage shoppers. Uh, this Traffic campaign is you can use for mainly for creating the awareness or the people to know about your brand. Can use it. You can use awareness campaign also, but here in traffic campaigns you can use mainly for the website visits. In order to get the traffic to your websites. These professionals are likely interested in upgrading their digital marketing skills and may consider joining the course. So I'm selected some job titles also here. Then a good audience is extremely important because even the best advertisement will fail if it reaches the wrong peoples. So now we move on to the ad level. I'm giving my ad copy a name, Upskill Rocket ad copy. For ad setup, I'm keeping it as a manual upload. See, like you can create it like a ad set level for the different cities. Like you can run a campaign for Bangalore, you can run a campaign for Chennai, Hyderabad. You can recreate a different level of ad set level, and also ad copy. You can create multiple ad copies here. Uh, Here I'm giving the under destination I'm selecting website, then I will paste the website URL. I'm from now I'm doing campaign for the upskill rocket, so I'm using that website address. Here the format I'm selecting here is a single image or video. Since it's a traffic campaign, I have removed the instant form option because our goal is to send users to the website instead of collecting leads directly inside the Facebook. Now I'm selecting. Now I'm going to upload the image here in the creating while creating the ad copy. Now I will upload the image. If you can select the image in the media only, but now for now I'm uploading the image. If here if required you can crop the image also according to different placements. After uploading this, click on next. Now I will add the ad copy. Primary text is very important here. I'm going to write the primary text as launch your career in AI digital marketing. Now I'm writing headline as master AI digital marketing in 90 days. Now I'm giving the description here. Placement support, live projects, enroll today. Call to action is very important here. for a call to action button, I will now here I will select the learn more, because our objective is website traffic here, so I'm using the learn more action here. Once everything is entered, click on next. Now you can see the ad previews generated automatically for different placements. This helps us understand how our advertisement will appear on the Facebook and Instagram. Uh, you can see it. Now click on done. Before publishing, I always review the settings once again. Checking the campaign settings, budget, audience, placements, ad creative, website URL, call to action, this everything, conversions, because that's also very important, especially for the website for the traffic campaign. We have to take traffic to the our website, targeting website. Now here this final review prevents the mistakes and ensures that campaigns run correctly. UTM tracking setup. Now I will configure the tracking. UTM parameters helps us identify how much traffic is coming from our Facebook advertisement inside the Google Analytics. Now I'm going to open the UTM builder. Website URL. I'm keeping the website URL here as Upskill Rocket website. And then campaign source will be Facebook or Meta. Campaign medium is CPC. Then campaign name is Upskill Rocket Traffic Campaign, which I have mentioned in the campaign level. Then campaign term is ad set, the name I have given to the ad set level, ad set name. The campaign term is ad set name. Asset name in which I am given in the ad level. The UTM builder automatically generates the tracking parameters. I simply copy the generated URL parameters and paste them inside the URL parameter sections in Meta Ads Manager. I have also connected to my Metafixes, which helps us to track website activity and optimize future campaigns. This I forgot to configure placements earlier, so I am returning to the ad set level. Under the placement, I only want my advertisement to appear on Facebook and Instagram. Therefore, I will manually select this platform. Now everything is ready. Then last click on publish. Meta will review the campaign, and once approved, the advertisement will start delivering traffic to our website. This is the complete process of creating the Facebook traffic campaign using the Meta Ads Manager. Here we learned how to create a traffic campaign, how to select the right audience, how to create and create ad copy and creatives, how to configure placements, how to implement UTM tracking and Metapixel. I hope this tutorial will help you understand Facebook advertising